Have fun.
Oh, baby Jesus.
About lost it.
What's up, guys? This is Brandon back with another update on the T-Bird. This is the 302 motor that's going to be getting turboed and dropped into the 88 Thunderbird. I got other videos of the build if you click on the channel, but I'm just cleaning up the deck, getting ready to drop the heads on. In this video, I also get the push rods in and lifters, slide the new cam in, the valve springs, pretty much just getting her ready to go. So I'm gonna just throw some music on and enjoy the time lapse, guys. Once I get to some more interesting stuff, hopefully you guys can enjoy that a little bit better. So later, bye.